Welcome again to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is chicken leek and bacon pie. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below, or you could simply pause the video now. Okay, heat some oil in a heavy bottom pan. When it's hot, add the bacon pieces and fry for 2 or 3 minutes. After 2 or 3 minutes, add the leeks and the garlic and continue to fry for another 2 or 3 minutes. Next we add the thyme leaves, salt and pepper and mix in. Next we add the chicken to the pan and fry for, you guessed it, 2 or 3 minutes. Then add the butter to the pan and mix, stirring well into the mixture. And when the butter is totally melted through the mixture, it's time to add the flour. When the flour has been totally amalgamated into the mixture, it's time to add the stock. Add this splash at a time, continuing to stir until a nice thick consistency is achieved. When you've achieved the consistency you want, cook off for 5 minutes to cook out any rawness of the flour. When this is done, simply remove from the heat and transfer the mixture to a suitably sized pie dish. Then it's time to put the pastry lid on. Simply take the sheet of pastry, place over the pie dish, push around the edges and using a sharp knife trim off the excess. Then using your fingers, press the pastry into the side of the pie dish to make a seal. Then brush the pastry with a beaten egg. Using a sharp knife, make 2 steam holes in the top of the pie. Then it's off to a preheated 180 degrees C oven for 40 minutes. And for those who say, why use pre-made pastry? Have you ever tried making puff pastry? Life is simply too short. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Feel free to subscribe, share and like, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.